3 weeks ago, I made a commitment. I honestly felt impossible. Post one YouTube video every single week until the end of this year. No excuses, no skipping weeks, just consistent quality content. Here's the thing, I've actually done it. I'm 4 weeks down and I'm not stopping. So today I want to invite you to join me. Let's commit to YouTube consistency together, and I'm going to show you why I think this will change everything.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you say.
Okay, quick context. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Denzil. I'm a filmmaker and content creator, and I've been taking my content seriously for about a year and a half. I built a decent following over on Instagram of around 60,000, but YouTube, man, ever since I was watching Peter McKinnon back in 2017 on YouTube, it's always been the thing that I wanted to do, but kept putting off for some reason. Why? I'll tell myself I didn't have time. I even convinced myself that my videos would probably never be good enough to be on YouTube. And I thought weekly uploads were only for full-time creators who had teams. But the real reason, and this is me being vulnerable with you, is I was scared of committing and then failing publicly. I said it. But you know what? Something did shift in me. At the start of this year, after pretty consistent output on my Instagram for around 12 months, I decided I'd make a channel, post a few videos, and see how it goes. But after around 5 videos on here, I stopped. You know, as you do when you don't really have a strategy or a system in place and you don't really know what you're doing. So after around 6 or 7 months of literally not posting anything, I realized I was waiting for the perfect moment to jump back in, which, by the way, was just never gonna come. So 3 weeks ago, I just hit reset and started again. I set a simple goal, 1 video every single week until December 31st. You see, that's 12 more videos. That's 12 weeks of showing up no matter what. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but why does this matter? Why should I care about your commitment? And that's a fair question. So here's what I think is bigger than just me hitting upload every week. 1, consistency builds more than just subscribers. You see, 3 weeks in, I haven't blown up, but you know what I have? A system now that actually works. Confidence that I can do this long term, and a body of work I'm genuinely starting to be proud of. And that matters more than any single viral video, and take it from somebody who has gone viral multiple times on Instagram too. Small channels need community, not just views. You see, if you're a small creator like me, under 1K, under 500 or under 100 subs, we're often creating in isolation. We're watching big creators talk about what worked for them when they were small, but we're not building together in real time. That's what I want to do. I want to create a space where we're committing to consistency together. No competing, no comparing, just showing up week after week and supporting each other. 3, it'll be proof that the system beats motivation. You see, 3 weeks ago, I didn't feel motivated to start. I just developed the system. And that's what's made the difference for me. And I'll break down that system in a second, but the commitment has to come first. So here's what I'm proposing. Let's make this a thing. Let's commit to YouTube consistency together, not forever, just until the end of this year. And here's what this could look like. The 12-week YouTube commitment. 1 video per week, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Comment "I'm in" below with your current sub count. No shame, we're all building. Drop your channel name so we can support each other. And we can check in every few weeks. I'll do update videos and you can share your progress in the comments. Look, I don't know if this worked in the algorithm sense, and I don't know if by January I'll have 1K subscribers. That would be amazing. But I do know that 12 weeks from now, I'll have 12 more videos than I would have if I kept waiting for the perfect moment. And if you join me, so will you. But the question is, are you in? Okay, now for the practical part, because commitment without a system is just wishful thinking. So here's how I've actually made this work for 3 weeks straight now, or maybe it's 4. Maybe including this video, it might be 5. Anyway, it doesn't matter, okay? I have a weekly content workflow that makes consistency possible, and let me walk you through that really quick. Okay, so Monday, film day. I batch film my YouTube videos and my Instagram reels in one session, and the total filming time is around anywhere between 2 to 3 hours. Look, the key is I'm not aiming for perfection. I'm just aiming to get it done. Tuesday is editing day. I edit my YouTube videos and my reels. This is usually my longest day. I take around 4 to 5 hours. But because I filmed everything already, on Monday, I have all the footage I need to just lock in and get it done. Now, Wednesday is usually publishing day. This is where I upload my YouTube videos, do all the description, the SEO, etc., captions, the whole 9. Quick side note, I've actually made a full in-depth video breaking down my weekly content schedule. So I'm gonna link it in the description if you wanna dive deeper. Back to the schedule. Thursday and Friday are usually business and planning day. This is where I do any client work, brand outreach, or planning next week's video. This is when I'm not really in creation mode anymore. I'm more in strategy mode. You see, the magic isn't in the schedule itself. It's having a schedule out. Because when Monday comes, I don't think, I don't know if I feel like filming or what am I gonna film? I just know Monday is filming day and we locking in. This eliminates so many micro decisions you have to make, which creates a lot of fatigue. 3 weeks in, what have I actually learned along this journey? Week 1 is exciting. Week 2 is hard. Week 3 is where the systems start to kick in. You see, the first week I was hyped. I was just full of energy to start this new venture. Second week, I was a bit tired and I started doubting myself a little bit. And the third week, I just started following the system and it felt kind of normal, to be honest. That's when I knew that this could actually work. Look, your videos don't have to be perfect. They just have to exist. I'm still learning. My editing isn't perfect and my thumbnails, they could be way better. Let me tell you that right now. But I'm improving with every single video. You see, if I waited until I was good enough, I'd just never start. The comments and community matter more than views could ever. My videos aren't getting thousands of views yet, but the people who are watching, they're engaged. And that's what keeps me going. So that's where I'm at. 3 weeks down, 9 to go. Let's lock it. Now, it's your turn. If you want to commit to YouTube consistency with me, here's what to do. Comment below, I'm in, plus your current subscriber count. No judgment, we're all starting from somewhere. Drop your channel name so we can support each other, and I'll check out as many as I can and try and leave a comment. Post your first or next video this week and let's build some real momentum together. And if you're already on this journey, share where you're at. Week 5, week 20, let's celebrate that. We're not waiting for permission anymore. We're just gonna do the work. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to drop me a like and subscribe if you want to follow along. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you. I said I will see you in the next one. Peace and love every single time. Denzil.